What's up, drivers? Welcome to Trucking with Old Snapper. And of course, I'm your host. I'm Old Snapper. May Trucking over there, he's moving into the last spot. I got the spot just before him, and I just barely squeezed off into it. Just barely. But anyway, got some high crop tractors back there going to Watsonville, California. Hopefully I'll have them delivered tomorrow. They don't deliver according to the load assignment until Tuesday, but I'm gonna try to get them there and get them offloaded tomorrow so I can get another load in this week. I did a little time-lapse video crossing LA, pretty much from the Redlands all the way to Castaic. I'm gonna get that edited up, put it with this, put some music with it, let y'all kick back and ride through. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You never know when you may see yourself in one of these videos. Anyway, y'all take care, enjoy the video, and don't forget Snapper's Drone Fund, Cash App, Old Snapper.